Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve x minus 1 whole power x equal 81 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So x minus 1 equal whole power x equal 81, we can write it as 3 power 4. Now, if we compare in the power, x is 4, right? So if I'll write here 4 minus 1 whole power x equal 3 power 4. So it gives 3 power x equal 3 power 4. So yes, it's verified x equal 4. Now let's verify again by substituting the value. So it's 4 minus 1 whole power x equal 81. 4 minus this one is 3 and x is also 4. So 3 power 4 equal 81. So yes, 3 power 4 is 81. So 81 equal 81. So x is equals to 4 is the verified solution. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.